Hello there, it's Luke from the Clever Car Collection, and today we have this little Nissan Micra. This Nissan Micra is an automatic, it's got low mileage, and in today's video I'm going to take you for a walk around it so you know what to expect when coming here to the brilliant Clever Car Collection. Let's take a look. So this Nissan Micra has the 1.2 litre petrol engine with an automatic gearbox. With that you get 79 brake horsepower and a combined cycle of fuel economy of around 43 miles to the gallon. This car is in insurance group 10E and road tax is £265 for the year. So this car was first registered in March 2004 and has covered just under 66,000 miles. So we're just going to take a walk around and note the damages that we find. So we've got a bit of some marks across this bumper here. As we go around, there's a scuff there, down there too. The bonnet has got some stone chips and some light scratches on it, which you may be able to see in the light there. The windscreen has got a chip in it, just there. On this front quarter here, these hubcaps have got scuffs on them. On the driver's door here, we've got a few marks, like a scratch there. This window seems all good. Got a couple of scratches along the bottom there, with a mark on the wheel arch there. On this quarter, as you can see, the hubcap is scuffed on that one. Got a bit of a mark there too. We'll keep moving around. So on the boot there, we've got a couple of marks there, a bit of a ding there, another dent there, and just this light here has got a crack at the bottom there. So we'll just keep moving round. That hubcap looks okay, doesn't seem to have any scuffs on it. Keep moving around. Couple of scratches like that along the door. This wheel here has got some scuffing on the cap, but that is about it for the outside of the car. I'll just show you the boot. So again, for a small car you do get a lot of room in here. There's the tyre fitting kit just there. You can say it's quite roomy in the back here. I'll just show you these back seats here, as you can see, and the two outer seats do have ISOFIX. So this is the inside of the car here. So the two front windows are electric. It is a keyless start. There's your electric mirrors. You've got steering controls there for your stereo. There's your climate controls with air conditioning, 12-volt socket, and there's your automatic gear shifter. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our key in the pocket and we're going to turn the little nozzle here, which I think you can see. And we'll start the engine up. So as you can see, the engine is running and there's no warning lights on the dash. So if you like this car, you can get a £100 reservation fee, which is deductible from the total bill should you purchase it. We do offer delivery, but I think that's it for this video. If you get a chance, please check out our reviews in Google and Auto Trader. We're very proud of them. But thank you for watching.